In this presentation, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can achieve greatness through gratitude. Whether you consider yourself to be a positive, easygoing person or a demanding, hard-to-please person, you can learn to become a more grateful, caring, and content person and finally achieve greatness. Stop complaining. This is the first step to achieving greatness through gratitude. Over the last several decades, we've become a society of complainers. This has led to a collective psychology of unproductivity and negativity. Stop complaining about the world around you and stop blaming others for your life. Keep an open mind and look for the positive in every situation. Respect others' time and schedules. You will never achieve greatness if you are continually arriving late to meetings, canceling appointments at the last minute, showing up late to family engagements. Part of being ungrateful for the things you have is the wasting of time. Not being respectful of other people's time is incredibly disrespectful. Spend time thinking about what you're grateful for. Spend 15 minutes every day thinking about what you are grateful for. Recall the people in your life that you may have taken for granted, but who have always been loving and caring. Think about gifts in your life that aren't tangible, like your health. This simple mental exercise will significantly increase your body's natural antibodies while making you a happier and more grateful person. Donate your time or money. It can be a burden to find the time to donate to others. However, by selflessly serving others and being generous towards those in need is a great way to show you are grateful for what you have. Take time every month to volunteer at a nonprofit organization. If you absolutely can't find the time to volunteer, then make a substantial donation to your favorite charity. Thank people for the littlest things. People like to feel appreciated for the little things that they do for us, but it often goes unnoticed because of our busy routines and hectic lives. Take the time to thank them for their thoughtfulness and be grateful for even the smallest of favors that they grant you. Being grateful for the things that you have and those in your life will dramatically change the way you live your life. If you want to achieve greatness in everything that you do, then you need to start showing how truly grateful you are.